Alright everybody, so for my daughter's new deer stand, for safety's sake, you always got to have a hookup for your harness. And I thought for my daughter's stand, I'd try this. It's one of these descenders, goes up to a 25-foot tall tree, comes with everything you need to hook it up. You know, it goes on pretty much like a normal one and you hook up to it. It's kind of a one-time use only. Takes a 120-pound woman all the way up to a 300-pound man, so this really should work well, I hope. So we're going to put this on the tree and make my deer stand safe that I've put up for my daughter. Pretty self-explanatory. It's got a video, you can watch it. Don't exceed the weight limit. Basically your hookups here at the bottom, and this is for the tree. And it comes with a really nice locking carabiner. So obviously that goes on the bottom down here. Can't do it one-handed, but I'll get it done in a second. Alright. Nice clip that just goes around the tree and locks it in place. The strap. Hang this on the tree. Hook your harness into this when you get up on the tree. And hopefully you never fall out. Let's go get this on the tree. So we're going to get back here to that deer stand that we put up a couple weeks ago and see if we can get this in place. And then my goal is to actually put up the decoy back here. The target really is what it is. And let my daughter start shooting out of the tree a bit and see how she does. Oh, gotta get this widened out soon. This up here, so I trip, put the foot bar down. Alrighty, everything looks good still. It's holding in there well. Feels nice and strong, which is good. Seats down. My goal is, while I'm up here, is get around this big tree if I can. With this guy, which I should be able to do. I think so. There we go. Nice, it's on the tree. It's easiest for us to clip to. What a view up here. If you guys can see it, there's another nice tree back there. If we ever needed to hunt on, we could get back to. Yeah. Gosh, hope we can do some nice hunting here. And again, so far, the stand is doing really well. It's a two-person stand. It's in there pretty nicely right now, so I'm real pleased. So hopefully at this point, we'll never need this safety harness that's up here to actually work. But it is up here, it's beautiful, and this should make the stand really safe for us. Thanks for watching, folks. Please like and subscribe and keep following us.